Namaste, dosto. So, camper van conversion. Couple of things. I've bought my overhead locker that's going to go here from eBay. I've been in touch with the insurance company. Now, the DVLA will not let me re-register this as a camper van or a motor caravan or a motorhome. The main reason being the height. One of the rules that they stipulate is you must be able to stand up in it. Now, I know I'm not very tall. I'm 169 centimeters, but I can't stand up in here. So we're not going to go down that route. So I spoke with the insurance company for the vehicle insurance. I explained to them what we're going to be doing. Taking out these seats, putting a bed in, putting a little kitchenette in, and a roof rack and stuff. And they were absolutely grand. So from the 18th of this month, she's officially a camper van for the insurance, but still a car for the DVLA. Oh well, that's the way it's got to be, that's the way it's got to be. Also, surprisingly, I was expecting quite an increase in my premium, but I've got a lot of no claims, etc. And so it hasn't actually gone up much. I suppose it's gone up about at a wild guess 40%, but then I'm rubbish at maths. But it was still affordable, so we're gone with it. So that doesn't take effect to the 18th, so I can't actually do anything to the 18th. She stays a car. I can't take the seats out. I can't fit my locker. I can't do anything except prep. Like I say, I've bought it. I bought the locker, and I've been checking things out. These are M6, so I bought some M6 bolts. I needed a couple of M6 nylock nuts as well, so I've got those with the washers. Now, in order to fit her, there's a big metal bracket that goes on these three, and then the carcass goes onto the metal bracket. Now the carcass fits at the end there with an M6 bolt at the top hole, and there's like a peg in the bottom hole. At this end, I've marked here, there's a kind of a bolt and spacer in one. It needs to go in there and go to the carcass. Now, I've offered it up, and that's approximately where we need the hole. So for those of you who need the information, it's approximately 5 centimeters from this joint and approximately 1.5 centimeters from the top bit. That'll get you the middle of the hole there. Not too sure what's behind here yet. We're going to have to do an exploratory surgery there and see what's behind there. I'm imagining there'll be some metal that we can maybe drill and then use the tap and die set, because it's an M6, the bolt that needs to go in there. Okay, so that's where we are up to press. Like I say, we can't do any of the conversion until the insurance changes over. But what we can do is just general maintenance. So that's where we are up to press. We're just watching the clock, waiting for the insurance to change over so we can start work. So this is the overhead locker that we bought off the eBay, and we're hoping it's going to be a smooth transition fitting it in there. And so for now, any questions, put them down below. Any comments, put them down below, and I'll see you real soon. I love you. Bye bye.